Welcome to Surya's Life Science. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the coronaviridae family. If you watch this video lecture series from this first video to the last video, you will be able to know everything about the SARS CoV-2 virus from the scratch to the latest informations. Let's get started. First of all, the coronaviridae family, the viruses belonging to this family are called as coronaviruses. They are large positive sense single stranded RNA viruses. So what is a positive sense single stranded RNA virus? We know that mRNA is very much responsible and important for carrying the information from the main genetic material, that is DNA of the human cells, and it helps in converting the genetic information into required proteins and enzyme. So the positive sense single stranded RNA present inside the coronavirus is also an mRNA. This mRNA can directly utilize the ribosomes present in the host human cells and produce the target proteins and enzymes which are required for the structural development of new virions, thereby increasing the infection rate. The family name of coronaviruses comes from the word crown. Actually, if you see, the word corona in Latin means crown, in the form of which the proteins are located around this virion. The spike proteins around this virion looks like crown, and that's the reason behind the origin of the word coronaviruses. In the year 1965, human coronaviruses were isolated by Tyrrell and M. Bino from a patient with acute rhinitis. What is rhinitis? It is a condition in which inflammation of the mucous membrane of the nose is caused by a virus infection. Example, you can take it as a common cold or by any allergic reaction. Example, A fever. So that's all and simple about rhinitis. Until the end of the 20th century, one believed that coronaviruses are able to cause only mild form of acute respiratory infections. But during the year of 2019, it was identified that SARS CoV-2 belonging to this coronaviridae family caused the global pandemic of COVID-19, and currently more variants of this coronaviruses which are more pathogenic for humans are being found day by day. How can we prevent the formation of new variant of these coronaviruses? It can be done only by maintaining social distances, taking proper vaccination and wearing mask, because more the coronavirus spreads, more will be the variant formation and it may be fatal also. So that's all about the basic introduction of the coronaviridae family. Now let us discuss about the taxonomy of the coronaviridae family. So it is basically an RNA containing virus, that is positive sense single stranded RNA. It belongs to the order Nidovirales and family Coronaviridae. So if you see the family name, it's Coronaviridae. All viruses have this in common, that is the family name ends with the suffix viridae, and it has two subfamilies, subfamily Coronavirinae and subfamily Torovirinae. Coronavirinae, all the viral subfamilies will be ending with the suffix virinae. Firstly, the subfamily Coronavirinae is responsible for various forms of acute respiratory infections in humans and animals, and subfamily Torovirinae is a causative agent for intestinal diseases in animals. So there are totally 4 genera under the subfamily Coronavirinae: genus Alpha coronavirus, genus Beta coronavirus, genus Gamma coronavirus, genus Delta coronavirus. The SARS virus, which was already present, the first SARS virus belongs to the Beta coronavirus. The MERS virus also belongs to the Beta coronavirus, and the latest SARS CoV-2 virus, which has caused the global pandemic, also belongs to this Beta coronavirus. And if you see about the subfamily Torovirinae, the genus present are genus Baffinivirus and genus Torovirus. The viruses of genus Torovirus can cause intestinal diseases in horses, cows, pigs, cats and goats. So that's all about the taxonomy of the coronaviridae family. Next, let us discuss about the natural host of coronavirus. The natural host of coronavirus are various vertebrates, which includes mammals, birds. Basically, it is a versatile virus which can affect most kind of organisms like mammals, birds, etc., etc. It can affect the cattle, it can affect a bat, it can affect an eagle, and many more such kind of organisms. For each individual variant of coronavirus, its own specific natural host is characteristic, which means that coronavirus is highly specific in nature. That is, a coronavirus affecting a cattle will not affect a bat, and a coronavirus affecting a bat will not affect a cattle. But it is not so true in case of the new SARS CoV-2 virus, because the same virus which has affected millions of people is affecting the canines like lions and tigers, etc., etc. So it is not true in case of SARS CoV-2. Coronavirus causes respiratory and gastrointestinal diseases in animals, and the SARS CoV-2 is also doing the same in humans. So that's all about the natural host system of the coronaviruses. Next we have to discuss about the stability of coronaviruses. The coronavirus resistance in environment is comparatively low when compared with other viruses. Once extracted from the body, they remain viable only for few hours. Coronaviruses are highly sensitive to ether, detergents, UV radiation, temperature above 56 degree, all major disinfectants. So that's why it is highly recommended to wash your hands regularly, since coronavirus is a lipid enveloped virus. While we use an hand wash or soap, it can easily disrupt the lipid membrane above these viruses, and which can lead to the death of viruses. So stay home, stay safe. Please stay tuned for the next video. In our next video, we will be discussing more about the coronaviridae family and SARS CoV-2 viruses. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click out the bell button. Thanks for watching.